Good afternoon, meteorologist Jesse Kelly here. Hope everyone's having a fantastic Thursday, a very warm afternoon through all of the ArkLaTex. We're seeing those temperatures into the 70s and 80s and seeing winds very breezy out of the southwest at 10 to 15 miles an hour. Now, as we go into this evening, there is potential that we could see a few strong severe thunderstorms, mainly across the Interstate 30 corridor. The main threats will be damaging winds, maybe even seeing some large hail. There is a very, very low chance of seeing an isolated tornado. So radar is showing some of the big time thunderstorms well off towards the east over the Ohio River Valley, although we do have some showers towards the south and east of Little Rock. We're all watching some light showers off towards the west near Dallas. We'll see what those showers may do as they continue to work its way off towards the north and east. That we do have a cold front rather off towards the north and west, and that cold front will serve as the focal mechanism to produce showers and thunderstorms as we go into this evening. And again, some of these thunderstorms, especially across the Interstate 30 corridor, north of the Interstate 30 corridor, could be capable of producing maybe some large hail, even some gusty winds. And thunderstorms will slowly migrate down towards the south across the Interstate 20 corridor, but most of the heavy rain over the next couple of days will be primarily across the northern half of the region. So, not to say it will not rain for areas south and east of Shreveport, but the better rain chances will be north of Interstate 20s, and we'll see rain and thunderstorms off and on for Friday evening. As we go into your Saturday, we'll see additional showers and thunderstorms off and on, and some of the rain at times, especially north of Interstate 20, could be heavy at times. So if you add the rain up, at least into the short term, we can easily see an inch or two. Not that much of rain is expected from Shreveport and areas towards the south and east, although I think we will probably see a little bit more rain than what's being depicted on this model south of Interstate 20. But just the overall theme for the forecast for the next couple of days shows a good chance of rain off and on, mainly across the northern half of the region. The cold front that we're working its way through here for Friday will stall. It's going to pretty much oscillate up and down, at least for the next couple of days. That stall front will probably be somewhere near the Interstate 20 corridor, will not be this far south like this model is being shown here. So the combination of that stall front and the uplevel pattern being quite favorable to see lots of moisture being dispersed from the Pacific Ocean, which will lead to good rain chances off and on for Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. So until this ridge of high pressure over the deep south breaks down, we will continue to remain in the southwest flow. Then we'll see slightly better rain chances as we go into next Wednesday, even next Thursday. So again, we could see some heavy rain. There could be more rain once we get past Thursday as well, so looking pretty wet for the next couple of days. If you add all the rain up between now and next Thursday, again, we can see several inches of rain, again, across the northern half of the region. This model is showing we can see 2 to even 3 inches of rain across Texarkana. We can see 4 to 6 inches of rain across Audubon and the Queen, and amounts will drop off significantly from Shreveport and areas towards the south and east. We're not expecting as much rain down towards Manning and also into Natchitoches. Tomorrow, though, temperatures will be all over the place. We'll see upper 50s across Audubon and the Queen, 60s across the Interstate 20 corridor, and then we'll see 70s from Mansfield down towards Manning and Natchitoches, where the front is probably not going to make it that far south. Again, that front is probably going to stall somewhere along the Interstate 20 corridor. Your next 7 days looking pretty wet, although I want to stress to everyone that it will not rain in your location every day for the next 7 days. It could, but we will see those daily rain chances with the best chance of rain for Friday. And again, as we go into next Wednesday and Thursday, temperatures will remain pretty mild into the 70s and lows at night into the 50s and 60s. And we'll see the same thing into Texarkana. A good chance of rain from Friday into next Thursday with highs 60s and 70s, lows at night 50s and 60s. So again, we were looking at quite a bit of rain, especially across the northern half of the region. As we go into next week, there could be some concerns of some flooding, especially across the northern half of the region. The ground's already saturated, so again, doesn't take much to cause them flooding concerns. We're watching it for you very carefully, and the rainfall amounts will drop off significantly south and east of Shreveport.